Hello, we are now checking here the some garden of this other people here. We see the garden here. See the mustard here. They are planting only in the styrofoam, but this is good looking. See also the chili. This different chili, only now we see this kind of chili. The fruit is like this, good, very big. They also planting of garlic here in the bucket. This bucket is composed of soil with mixing of charcoal, and also they plant also here the mint also with coriander. See, and the mustard is here. Also they have tomato here. See, the tomato is healthy with coriander also, some plant. And that is the chili. Chili is bearing of fruits. See, and the downside also they have also tomato here and one chili. And in this area there is coriander here with tomato again, and malunggay or the moringa. This moringa is even, this is still young, but it is starting to give flowers. See, there's the flower. And also there has one big basil. This is another kind of basil. See, this is also good for the cup. See, there is a grasshopper hiding in the. Did you see the grasshopper? This is the grasshopper hiding in the trunks of this basil. This basil is planted only here in the one bucket. Well, see, even in the bucket only, but see, this very big basil. It's come. You know, the leaves of this basil is too much fragrance. This basil. And this basil also can eat if you have some problem in the throat. This is can help to remove some problem in our throat. The smell is so good. You can use also in your rooms also for the if you put in electric pan. Is also good breakfast that going in your inside house. See the garlic here with coriander. See, there's too much coriander because other people, the Nepal people, are too much like of this coriander. That's why there's too much coriander planting here. And this with this garlic. See the garlic. The leaves of the garlic is very few only because they always cutting the leaves of the garlic with also tomato. And see the tomato. The tomato here is give fruits. See, not only tomato, they are mixing with mustard, and the tomato is giving fruits. See the fruits of the tomato. Downside, there is too much of coriander. Also, the coriander is the leaf is few only because they always like to take the leaves of the coriander. This coriander they mix with garlic and tomato, coriander, this, and then chopping, and then they will put in the when they eating of rice, they will put in the rice. One time I tasted that, I check this is good. Most only I don't like, only they add also more chili, that's why. But if there is no chili, that taste is too much good, too much good. And also they have a plant here of this aloe vera. See the aloe vera with mixing of chili. The chili have fruits also, the chili. See, this area also they have a plant here of tomato mixing with chili, and the downside is coriander. And then there is also a basil mixing also with basil. And downside also there is potato. This is the potato. And the other side also is potato. The potato here is big enough. In this area there is some garden blocks here. Garden. They also put this tomato mixing with mustard and the coriander, and also they mix also garlic. See the tomato. What ball cutting? Oh, I don't have no ball cutting. Because I am new here, new. See, there is a see the tomato, and also in this area. See, in this one area they are not planting only single. They mix. This is the style of this other people of kind of planting. Here see the garlic. See the garlic, and also they mix also onion. See your onions. The soil mix up the soil, and also I don't know what fertilizer they are using. Only I see here is the soil with charcoal only. I see. It's very good. See this area, this is good also. See, in this block, in this garden block, they have mint. This mint, and also this is the beans, also beans, and this garlic, mustard, tomato also. There is also this in Tagalog, this is pasaw, but I don't know what is the English of that. See the mustard. Mustard is good looking. This also soil only this soil will compose of dry leaves material. Is, you know, the tomato is bearing of fruits here. See? They have a fruits, also flower. See the garlic. the garlic with mustard, and also there is beans here. See, the beans are starting now growing, and also there is preparing new garlic for planting. Still not finished for planting. Maybe after, maybe it's busy, that's why it's not he forgot to plant this. In this block we also see this block also they plant also with aloe vera. See, the aloe vera is good. And then more, and also more of mustard here. See, too much mustard here planting. And also one onion here planting, very small onion. See, this is planted in the garden box. In this area there is a styrofoam here, also with soil only, with mist. I think that is fertilizer also. This plant is also this box also is ready for planting. That's why they are putting them. See, only have mint there. And here see the bucket, the two bucket there is planted with tomato. Each bucket of only tomato they are planting in the bucket. But and also there is a mix also with chili. See, the chili also is flowering. Also the tomato have fruits. And then in this downside there is beans here now starting this growing this area. Also the mustard, and see the squash. The squash is flowering, but I don't know, maybe this guy they're not cooking of flour, unlike the in Philippines. This Filipino is like of cooking of this flour of the squash. And then downside of the squash there is chili. See the chili, and then the other chili again. The chili now is blooming up to more flowers. And then here in the side of the chili there is tomato with the sacks. And the tomato here also, this tomato is good because they have starting of giving fruits. This tomato, see, there is fruits there. There is a fruits. See, and the downside the tomato there is mint there. See the mint with also garlic. And the side of this mint there is ampalaya. Oh, see, there is a fruits of ampalaya or bitter gourd. Now this, see, if you see, maybe this will not see in the video, but there is a big fruits there of ampalaya or bitter gourd. With bitter gourd, downside the bitter gourd there is some grass with, but this is grass also is edible. I don't know what is the name of that, but that is edible also. Downside is bitter gourd. With also this chili, also the chili also is starting blooming. And also mix of this tomato also. Yeah, there's too much chili planting because you know, some people here is like too much chili in their foods. They are more spacing. There is maybe There is a baby beetle gourd here. See, the Ampalaya or bitter gourd is very healthy. See, another baby fruits of the bitter gourd. And also downside is more of this tomato. See the tomato. There are also a big ampalaya. The big ampalaya just coming, and also downside. Oh, see. See, there's too much fruits. Oh, see downside. There's the downside is dry, but see the bitter gourd is very healthy. There's too much fruits. And this downside of this bitter gourd, there is too much mustard here, very big. See, the style of planting is mixed there in the mustard, mixing of this potato and chili, another chili there, potato also, chili, mustard, potato, chili, mustard, chili, mustard, more chili there. The chili is now starting of blooming. This area, the style of gardening here is only planting their vegetable on the bucket. See, this the paint bucket they only using for planting their vegetable, like this tomato. See, the tomatoes is very big enough, only planting with the bucket only of the paint. See, now there is more fruits, very big fruits. Their tomato is very healthy. See, and then in the side, this is the neem tree. The neem tree. See, the other side, there is a chili, and then tomato, chili again, tomato. There also the some in this area there. This area, see, there is a new plant of mustard here. Mustard, chili, tomato. See, this garden is very safety because of the put of barricade or a fence. Maybe there's other people, Alibaba, that's why he put fence here, or maybe the avoiding of the cats and dog that are going there, because they know there's too much cat and dog here, and you know, after they are damaging their plants there. So that's why I think that's why he put this fence here. Here there is also one moringa here, or malunggay planting here. I don't know who plant here of malunggay or moringa. See, they put some dry trunks outside. In this area, they using only for this gardening, only using of styrofoam. See, this is the kinds of kinds of garlic. It's the leek. See this leek mixing with tomato. See, there's too much tomato. Tomato and tomato with these chives, and also this water spinach or kangkong. This is styles of his for fertilizers is the using of liquid fertilizer. This we're taking some leftover vegetable and then soaking in the water, and then after that this water will be very good vitamins for his plants. This very natural. That's why he has a vegetable. See, by means of this water bucket, he has now have of this lemongrass or tanglad. See, there is too many lemongrass planted only in the water bucket, and also one tomato. Tomato is very healthy, alhamdulillah. But this tomato is directly planted in the ground. And another styrofoam here with water spinach, and this Malabar spinach, or in the Philippines they is calling of alugbati. Alugbati, there have two kinds of alugbati. One alugbati is in the Philippines that I planted before is called, the color is violet, and this is the Malabar spinach or alugbati, is green. This now this old enough, that's why it's giving now of flower and seeds. So you see the seed is like that. See the seeds. When I planted here in this some other area before, if I see this giving of like this flower and fruits, I always removing this, because if you let this grow this flower to become fruits, after that this will not grow abundant, this Malabar spinach, because this now is focusing only in giving of flower and fruits. But if you like to grow faster this, you must always to remove this, so that these plants will concentrated only is growing or giving more leaves. See the style of this style is good, because he planted only this on the side of the it make a hole in the side of this bucket, and then planted this Malabar spinach or alugbati. And then if you have some materials or leftover vegetable or fruits, and then they put only in the top side, so the nutrients will be absorbing by these plants. Like this, they have more of leftover banana peel, so this banana peel using as a fertilizer of this seed. But if you have like this green leafy vegetable that you like to don't put up like this banana peel, because this banana peel is only using for the some plants that you need of more giving of fruits. What you need here is the leaves. That's why basis is the nitrogen only. You will put only this nitrogen. Some dry leaves you will add. Don't put up some fruits. Any kinds of fruit don't put here. But people have different of style, and have different of reason. So it depends upon the gardener or the farmer what is the style of growing of fruits. And this is area. This I think this is the new also. This is composed of chives of garlic mixing with tomato. See? And this is the style of the technique because there is too much of cat here, because you know the cats is always when they see of suns, they are going there if they peeling of need to dirt, they put their dirt. So these people are putting up some obstacle so that the cat or dog cannot going here to urine or to give dirt. That's why this is his technique. In this area there is a big bucket there. I think this is a drum. They're cutting up drums, and then after that put soil, and then see he has a lemongrass here. See, lemongrass in another area. And in this the side there is moringa here, moringa. See the trunk, he planted these trunks, big trunks. After now he has a moringa. See, the moringa now is starting to blooming of flower. In this area, oh, they using also for planting is drum also. See, now the plant is tomato, too much tomato. See, there is fruits there. See, the bucket also. See, there's a good, very see, longitudinal is the fruits oblong. See, this also have too much tomato here. See the tomato with chili. See, there's too much big fruits of the tomato. And also another bucket for mustard. There's too much mustard. Now other mustard is starting of flowering. And then another area there also coriander mixing with tomato. See, number one. See, in this area, this mustard now is directly planting in the ground, mixing with this grass. But you see, good, very healthy. Very healthy. See, the mustard is very healthy, mixing with grass. But you know, this grass also, this is edible. This some other people, they said this is also, but if you touching the leaves of this grass, see, very soft, so it can be eaten also. See the mustard, good, very good, number one. in this area there is also a tomato here planting. One tomato. This is also planted in the bucket. See, only in the paint bucket. See how much the fruits it gives. There's also some ripe tomato fruits here. See, downside too much tomato. Too much tomato. There's a big tomato fruits there. Too much big. And you see there is also a mango. Mango tree. Now little bit is mango. And in the side of this tomato, there is a mint planted here. Mint, tomato, and one aloe vera. And also these people here have a big space also for planting. I think these people here is too much busy. That's why is vegetable only here is small only, or only the tomato is only few only tomato. And in the side there is moringa here. See, the moringa now is a little bit good. He planted moringa by using the trunks. And the downside the moringa there is garlic. See, the garlic is there. This is the garlic. In this area there is a little big area here of garden. See, the plant here is mustard, and also mustard is ladyfingers or okra, garlic, more garlics, and other big mustard, and some other old mustard here. And then other area is the baby mustard there. Too much coming of baby mustard. This area also is good because it's full shaded in the sun, full sun. That's why you know this vegetable is like of more sunshine, so that you can get some vitamin D from these kinds of vegetable. And also the people planting here will not difficulties in the water, for getting the water, because there is a hose here. See the hose. And he has also styrofoam in that area. See, the styrofoam is full of coriander plants. You know, this other people here is too much like of coriander, because every time they are eating, they are taking of these coriander leaves, mixing with garlic, chili, and tomato, and then and salt also, think salts, and then they put in the rice. Okay. It's good also, good taste, and also this will add also to your appetite to be like to eat more. That's why this coriander, and that is they always planting in the garden. See, but I think the people who planting here is more busy. That's why even this area here is big, but all the vegetable planted is very little only. Maybe he has more job. That's why only if he has some vacant time. So see, there is also two baby ladyfinger here. See, this is the ladyfinger. The other ladyfinger here, even that is ladyfinger is small, but starting of giving of fruits. See there, they're giving of fruits. See, in this area, the tomato here is very healthy. See this tomato, there is big fruits here, big fruits. Is the plant here is also with chili also chili. Two kinds of only vegetable is the tomato and the chili. See what is the fertilizer he put? He only put here this leftover of rice. See, there is more rice here. I plant also here of this is the, what is the call of that? See, there is more rice there. That's why they say the tomato is very healthy. I remember this Lagunti. See, before I one gas station there, and then we are stopping there, and then I see Lagunti. Then this Lagunti, I take the trunks, and then when I coming here, and then I plant it here. So I have some corn, and I transfer there. I will transfer because I have now little garden there. And see the tomato. This is starting this. See a very big tomato. See, that's why if you like planting, even the small place like this, in this box also, this one may around 1.2 meter only, around 1.2 meter only. But see the plants, this tomato is full of ground, and now starting of giving of big fruits like this. That's why that's why now starting to plant. I say, see, you will be happy if you see if you have a plant like this that are giving of big fruits. See, this is free. That's why if you have some tomato there, if you are eating a tomato, just put a little seeds in the soil. See, like this. Now after that, maybe after maybe 2 weeks, he can start harvesting of tomato from here only, a very small place. And see the chili now is starting to blooming, chili. So copy like this, we must to copy, so that if we have we can have also some vegetable or free vegetable in our home. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and follow our video. Thank you.